on today's video, we are going to do a simple, pretty spring updo. So you can start with any part you want. It really makes no difference to the style. The styles can be happening at the back of your head. The part is really just about how you want your hair to look at the front. So if you want a center part, if you want a side part, totally your call. I'm gonna go with the side part today. And then we're just gonna put our hair up into a ponytail, sort of like in the middle of our head. Not too high, not too low, just sort of in the middle. Now, once I get my hair in my hand, I'm going to kind of shake everything because I want my hair to be a bit looser at the front. So I'm just gonna give it a little shake, and that's just gonna help softly and naturally let some of that hair fall out. You can help it if you want. And once you're happy with how the front looks, we can do the back.
First thing you're going to do is put your hair in a ponytail wherever you want the style to be centered. I like mine right in the center of my head. Then you're going to take the ponytail, face it up towards the ceiling, and start to twist until you feel a nice tight twist. And then you're going to bobby pin that twist to your head. You're going to find your tail. Try not to grab any of the hairs from the top of your head. And you're going to kind of twist your tail as you bring it down around the open side of your twist, and you're going to pin that as well with a bobby pin. You can fluff and pull that a little bit if you want. Then I take another bobby pin, I twist the tail, I gather all of that twisted end into my bobby pin, and I do a little flip and pin that up into the style as well. You can also fluff and pull that piece a bit if you want to, totally your preference.
And there we go. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. It's not the big voluminous updos that you're going to see on Pinterest, but we don't have a lot of hair, so we have to be realistic. If you want one of those, you're going to have to add padding, fake hair, things like that. There are also other things that we can do to make this look more voluminous, but it gets a little bit more complicated. So I wanted to leave this style really simple, really beginner friendly, very easy as a first style for you to try, and something a little more interesting than your typical bun or ponytail or just wearing your hair down. Let me know in the comments if you try it, if it works out for you, if you think this is simple, or if you find it still too complicated. I can see if I can make an even simpler updo for you guys. Keep in mind that depending on the actual density and length of your hair, it is likely to come out a little different. I do find that even every time I've tried this style in my hair, depending on how much I've twisted my hair, it can look a little different. Basically, how much tail you have left over, going to change how it looks, things like that. So if it doesn't look exactly like mine, it might not just be that you can't do it the same, it might also be that your hair is a bit different. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber here at my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.